When should I tell my spouse I'm filing for divorce? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law, and this is a question that came up a couple of weeks ago. I met with a woman, she's moving toward divorce, getting ready to file, and she asked me, when is the best time to have this conversation with my husband? When should I let him know that I'm filing? So the way to think about this is that, first of all, you want to optimize the chances of the divorce running smoothly. You want to optimize for communication, for cooperation, and if you blindside your spouse with a divorce service, then that will, I think, significantly decrease the chances of having everything run effectively and efficiently, because your spouse is going to feel potentially betrayed, angry, and that's a bad start. So the point is that you want to have this conversation about the filing with your spouse before your spouse can otherwise learn about the filing. So the way that it works right now in Massachusetts is divorce documents are filed, and then after a certain period of time, they will become public record. You can see that a divorce has been filed online. So what you don't want to do is wait until your spouse has the opportunity to view that information online. Because in many cases, when a marriage is falling apart, especially if there's been conversation about divorce, people will go online and check if there's been a filing. They may be consulting with an attorney. The attorney may be checking for them. So the point is that you want to have this conversation about the filing with your spouse before the information becomes available online. Now, there is an exception, and that exception is if there is a safety issue. So if there is a risk of domestic violence, if there is a history of domestic violence, then you need to do things a little bit differently. You need to talk to an attorney and talk to other trusted professionals about coming up with a safety plan to make sure that you are safe, and certainly if you have children, that your children are safe. So putting issues of safety aside, what you want to do is you want to have a conversation with your spouse about the filing before the information about the filing becomes available online. And so the best thing to do is, if you have an attorney, just time it with your attorney and the law office, figure out when they are going to file. And what I suggest is when the case is filed, when the documents are actually sent, that's the time to have the conversation, because not long after that, this information will be available online, and you want to have that conversation beforehand. If you have any other questions about this, feel free to email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. You can call us at 508-675-0464. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our channel and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. And you can also find us on Facebook and Instagram at Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.